Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this effect, this video effect using transition in CapCut PC. So I'm going to select images to edit, and previously I set the duration in 2.0 seconds for one clip. Sorry. Right, after done, select transition, and on the trending you can find clips webs, so just add to track. Right, but it is pro effect. You have to join propers to be able to use this effect. Alright, just hold the duration and 1.0 second and apply to all the clip, so you can see the result. So you can add the tag, add effect, just click effect and then select the nightclub. Sorry, you can select clips and select the color clips or color clips 2. Just download it and add the track, and then just for the duration with the same length, and appears the option right here. That's for the speed. Alright, so here we go. This is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.